gratitude and immense joy that I welcome each and every one of you to this momentous occasion, the official launch of the Aurora PH project here at Bonifacio G. Soliman High School.
It is a great honor to be here with all of you today for the official turnover of Aurora PH project at Bonifacio G. Soliman High School here in Tarlac City. This event represents more than the installation of solar panels. It marks our shared commitment to creating a brighter and a more sustainable future for Filipino learners.
The Aboitiz Foundation, in collaboration with the Aboitiz Construction and the Department of Education, launches Aurora PH, an initiative designed to bring sustainable energy, digital connectivity, and 21st century learning to the most geographically challenged and underserved schools in the country.
As we strengthen our schools, napakahalaga, no? To our dear partners again from Aboitiz, the administration and faculty of Bonifacio Soliman High School, ang ating mga barangay officials, ang mga ating estudyante, mga magulang, at lahat ng stakeholders po, maraming salamat at ma-witness nyo ang seremonyang ito.
So, we utmostly thank our benefactors, our partners, Aboitiz Construction and Aboitiz Foundation for this noteworthy project.